Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Plug Power. As of today, the stock has sold off about 15%. So we're going to be talking about what's going on. Should you buy this stock? We always hear the expression buy low, sell high. Is Plug Power too low to buy, and is this stock going bankrupt? We're going to be breaking all of this down, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. On top of that, we actually have a brand new trading course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock, how I've been a full-time swing trader for 6 years. Make sure you guys check it out. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this, but let's dive into this. Let's go. So what is Plug Power? A lot of people think Plug Power is actually a recent company that came out during the overall craze of the electric vehicle, pretty much hype, where all these car companies like Plug Power, Nikola Motors, even Tesla, all of them were absolutely exploding. And Plug Power literally went from $1 to $75. And a lot of people thought this thing was going to hit like $100 or $200. People soon realized, well, the company's not doing pretty much what it said it was going to do, and it slowly started to stair step its way back down, all the way back down to $2.30. Now, like I said, people think this is a recent company that came out, a couple years ago, but you may not realize this stock actually came out all the way back in the early 2000s, actually in 2000. And the stock was trading for about $1,565, and within literally a couple years it was trading at the levels of about $20 to about 16 cents. So it wasn't doing anything. And then recently, this was pretty much the overall craze of the electric auto space going crazy. But today we did get a major announcement of this stock selling off 15%. You guys will see that it literally just got annihilated. And the reason why we're getting so much sell-off is because there is a major offering that Plug Power is going to be selling about $1 billion worth of stock in order to raise more capital to keep this company afloat. Now, the issue is as we go ahead and we look at, some of the fundamentals of Plug Power, virtually every metric of it is not doing well. The EPS, also known as the earnings per share, is down 56%. And I understand we're looking at this revenue. The revenue is up 5%, right? But it's really not. As we look at it, the company brought in about $260 million in quarter two of 2023. But in quarter three of 2023, they only brought in about $198 million. So they lost out on about $60 billion, $62 billion, which is not very good. As we scroll down, you guys will see the cash flow is down 104%. So this is just a recipe for disaster. You guys can even see this clear income statement. And as we go and we look at, all this stuff, the cash is down 42%. And the reason why we see a lot of green is because this is 2021 and 2020, where there was a huge craze of the electric auto space. The total assets are down. The long-term debt is down. So it's just like not a good company. And obviously, as we go and we look at like the yearly chart, it doesn't come at a huge surprise that in the past year, this thing has just gotten annihilated. You guys will see it just loves to pretty much stay below that 200-day moving average line, right? It hit it once, twice, and pretty much just has been stair-stepping its way back down. So a lot of people are saying, Carter, should I buy this stock at its lows? No, you shouldn't. In my opinion, Plug Power is a growth stock that's going to be very, very, very volatile, especially with this decreasing, cash flow and all this stuff, and the $1 billion, sale. That's not doing very good. That's going to dilute the stock even more. Plus, it's just not a good look for it. Now, I think looking back in 2 to 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have sold it if we had these shares. I think this company's going to go bankrupt. It's a matter of time, and that's just what I think is going on with it, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. For me, I'm not touching this thing with a 1,000-foot pole, and I wouldn't recommend it. But overall, guys, this is still my own opinion. Do your own research before you guys invest, and we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.